So this week in class, I'm gonna have to kind of wing it a little bit. I cannot find my computer charger. I think I left it in your class. So I'm gonna kind of go off what we did on Wednesday. My computer has all my notes from class. I'm gonna talk about Wednesday and how we got into groups and how we talked about how group learning is very effective. It's effective to be in groups because you're getting to throw ideas off of each other, and you're able as a teacher to walk around the class and evaluate, and you can kind of ask us questions and we can talk it over as a group. So obviously, being in a group is always effective. It's good for not only learning but also almost growing as a society in a way. It's teaching your students to be able to talk and solve problems together and that sort of thing. In our groups, we went over different types of schools that there are. We had three different categories. It was private, public, and cannot remember the other one. But we looked over one called Shady Hills, and or I looked over one Shady Hills, and it was a private school, and they really promoted diversity in the class, and they wanted like a bunch of different type of students to be enrolled at their school. Also, they had every different semester they had like a theme of learning. So they would have like Chinese one year or semester, and then they would have like Greek mythology, and the whole school would learn a little bit about that. Also, we learned about the school that used the electric panels, the solar panels, to generate energy, and so obviously that was kind of more of a technical school, and they were learning about just a bunch of different energy types and that sort of thing. But yeah, all together, we learned about a lot of group stuff. We learned about classroom environments and how different ways classes are set up. Like you asked us if we had any other classes set up like the one in your class, and really there aren't many. FedEx was one for studying, but those are good environments for group learning and that sort of thing. So yeah, we talked a lot about groups and different types of schools. So.